Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video I will show you how you can upload your HTML file, folder or any kind of project in GitHub. So select the browser you want to go through, and in my case I will use Microsoft Edge, and then in address bar search here or type here GitHub. Okay, so this one, and go to the first link. And here you have to sign up if you don't have any account, and if you have any account then you can just go through sign in option here. And let me just type my username here. So now I will create a repository, and to click a repository you have to click here new, and let's just named it test website. And now you can check it, add a readme file, and then everything is done. And now click on create repository. So here I will add file. So click on add file and select upload files. You can click here and select the file by going to your destination, right? So we have another way to upload files. How to do this? Just go to the folder location, and you can just press this folder and just drag and drop it like this. So we have uploaded these two files. One is HTML file and another one is CSS. So you can just commit change. Okay, so click here commit change. So now we have uploaded the project, and now you can share this project with your with anyone. Okay, how as you can see this project directory is in public mode. So now you can just share the link by clicking here code, and then you can just copy the link from here. On the other hand, you can just copy it from address bar. So I have copied it from here, and now if I go to the private window tab, and then I can paste it here, and let's just go to the address, go to the location. And if you share with someone, then they can download it like this, and you can just click on here and then you can download it. Let's just click here download zip, and as you can see we have downloaded the file. So this is how you can upload your project in GitHub, and you can share it to anyone. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.